Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In the last video, we discussed about the downloading, setup of AngularJS file, and we have created our first application. And in this video, we are going to cover modules and controllers. So as you see, in the last practical, we used the expressions. And for this video, we have created a new page where we will discuss the module and controllers. So let's understand the modules first. The Angular module is a container for the different parts of the applications. In the other programming languages, like all code run under the main method. So similarly, in AngularJS, modules work in the same way. So once we declare the module, we can create controllers, filter, directives, and etc. So let's start with the practical of AngularJS modules. So to create a module, we'll first add a JavaScript file. So let's add a JavaScript file and name it to Angular app. Press OK. So this is our new JavaScript file created where we declare our module. So let's create an object with where my module is equal to Angular dot module. So this is a module method of Angular class. Let's name my module app and with an empty array. In this empty array, we will include dependencies. So we'll see that in the later videos. And so now our module is created. And let's include this module file in our experiment. So this is our module class is implemented. We have included that file. So as we discussed that after creating a modules, we will create controllers, filters, and directives. So let's open the file again, and we'll start with the controllers now. To create a controller, we'll use this variable. So let's copy it and write controller. So this is a method of Angular class. So in the first parameter, we are going to declare our controller name. So that's my controller, and let's add scope variable here. So the scope variable that we have declared here is an object which includes the properties and method of this Angular controller, and also this will be available to the view and controller. So in the controller, so you see in the first line we have created a module, and with the help of this module variable we have created a controller, and this is our controller name. So let's add a property to the scope. Let's say my name is Nish. So this is our module is created and controller is created. Let's go to our HTML page and declare here the module name. So as we discussed in the last lecture, that is ng app is a root element of the Angular file, Angular application, and here we will declare the module name. So our module name was module app. Let's take this name and paste it over here. In the next div here, we will be using our controller. So our controller name was my controller. So let's say with the ng-controller, our controller name is this, and in the expressions we will be using this scope dot name. So the property was my name. So let's run this. So when we run this, it will display us the name of that property that we declare here. So scope dot name is Dinesh Wadhwa. So let's change it to maybe ABC testing. Save it, and if we go and refresh this, so you see this is changed now. So we have seen in this video to create a module and to how to create the controllers and how to use the controller in our practical. And in the next video, we will be discussing more about the controllers and ng model and also the two-way bindings. So stay in tune. Thank you everyone.